Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove watermark from PDF using Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the home page of Canva and click on Upload at the right side. Then, select Upload Files and then choose the PDF file you want to edit from your device. After the PDF uploads, click on it to open it in the editor. Once the PDF is open, you can start editing. Actually, Canva takes the watermark text as random text and allows you to edit it. Simply put, you can just select the watermark box and delete it. Just click on the text box you want to modify and press the delete key. Canva's interface is very intuitive, so you can make all these changes with just a few clicks. Once you're done, you can download the updated PDF directly to your device. So that's basically how you can remove watermark from PDF using Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.